Yes, my people, good morning, right across the world, wherever you are. You know, Lionfoot, so I'm Rick. Yeah, man, I just want to give a big shout out to all of my fans, you know. All my subscribers have reached 100 subscribers. I want to say thank you because you guys give me the motivation to keep putting out content that's very relative. I only can relate to and get upliftment and motivated, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I want to say thank you very much for your support. Keep on supporting the channel and help it grow. Yeah, if I'm not into something, do give thanks to life. Regarding the coronavirus, please be careful, take care, wash your hands regularly for like say at least 20 seconds the least. You know, careful of your touch stuff and all them things. Do a lot of exercise, eat up your ginger, your garlic, and you're busy. Yeah man, chew them up, you know what I mean? And look out for signs and symptoms. Yeah man, until then, big up on yourself. Peace and love, major guide and protection. One love.